Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your own Crunchyroll subscription. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, just a quick tip, if you'd like to get Crunchyroll or any other subscription for a much lower price, then you can just scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link comment in the comment section, and you can go to Gamsgo. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it joins one account subscription under multiple accounts for one the same password, like a big family sharing it. So you can go here and you can search here for Crunchyroll once it's available. Currently it's out of sale, but soon it will be back, and so from you go there, you can click on any subscription you would like, such as Netflix for example, and then from here, as you can see, 3 months is only for 14.5 euros rather than 60 in the normal price, and then from here just click on promo code and write code GUMMY to get your additional 5% off for the best price possible. But now, to get the Crunchyroll in this traditional and standard way, all you have to do is search for it and then click on the first link. And then once you do that, you're going to be redirected to the official page of Crunchyroll.com. Now from here, all you have to do is go to the top right section and then you're going to create an account. Now you're going to enter the email address that you would prefer and a password to accompany it, and then click on create account. Once you do that, it will load for a little bit, and then they will send you a code to your email address that you can check it to verify it. So you're going to click on send verification link, and then from here, once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page where it thanks you for successfully verifying it. Now all you have to do is either click on try the 7-day free trial, where you can use it for free for 7 days, or simply go to the top right section and you will be shown to this page where you're going to select whatever subscription that you are more comfortable with. And then from here, once you do that, you're going to click on it and then select whatever payment method you would like to prefer, such as your credit card or PayPal. And then once you do that, you will have your own Crunchyroll subscription. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.